Hi dear children, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. It's me, your Divya ma'am. I will be your maths teacher in this year. A warm welcome each and everyone to our maths class, especially for new faces. Children, do you like story? I will tell a story. Listen to me. One day, a boy went to a market. He took a chocolate from there. And he read its price rupees 5. Okay. And after then he took a packet of biscuit. Okay, a packet of biscuit. And he read its price rupees 30. And after that he took a toy from there. And he tried to read its price. But he doesn't read its price. Okay, he doesn't read its price. Its price rupees 160. He doesn't read its price. He knows only the numbers 1 to 99. That means he knows only the single digit numbers and 2 digit numbers. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3 digits. He doesn't know about 3 digit numbers. Clear? He doesn't know about 3 digit numbers. He became very sad. He started to think, is there any number after 99? Is there any number after 99? He decided to learn 3 digit numbers. Well, student, do you know 3 digit numbers? Say yes or no. We already learned in our previous classes about 3 digit numbers. That means numbers 100 to 500. Is it clear? Today we are going to discuss about our first topic, 3 digit numbers. Our first topic, 3 digit numbers. Our chapter name, 3 digit numbers. Okay. Three-digit numbers. Okay. Before that, just to see here, children, these are all the numbers which we are learned in our previous classes. 0 to 9, these are the single-digit numbers. Then 10 to 99, these are the 2-digit numbers. Let us see what happened after 99. Listen here. Then, okay, what is this name? 99. Okay, this is our last 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit numbers. Okay, then listen here, what comes after 99? Then here we already learned, then which are the places? Ones and tens. Okay, this we already learned our previous classes. The right side have which number? That is ones place. Okay, then left side of one place we have 10 place. Okay, we have 2 rooms here. First ones room and tens room. Okay, right side we have which number? That is in 1 place. Left side of one side which number? That is in 10 place. Clear to you? We have 2 rooms, ones rooms and tens room. Okay, listen here. Then what comes after 99? See, when we have 9 in the ones place, that number we want to change it to 0. Okay, when we have 9 in the one place, that number we change it to 0. Okay, here we have 9 in the one place. This number we change it to 0. Same time, left side have which number? That means in 10th place we have which number? That number should increase 1. Okay, that number should increase 1. That means here will come, here is 1, then that number should increase 1. That means next to 2. Okay, now here we have 9. That number should increase 1. Then what comes after 9? What comes after 9? What comes after 9? Number 10. Listen here, when we have 9 in the one place, what will do? That 9 we change to 0. Same time, 10th place, okay, in a 10th place, we have which number? That number should increase 1. That means here we have 9. What comes after 9? 10. Now here we got two numbers. One is 10, another is 0. Okay, one for 10th place we get 10, then one place we get 0. Children, here we know 1's room and 10's room. Here we have two rooms, 1's room and 10's room. We know the 1's room and the 10's rooms are very small room. They can have one digit at a time. They can have only one digit at a time. Okay, here we have two rooms, 1's rooms and the 10's room. Okay, the 1's rooms and the 10's rooms are very small. They can have one digit only at a time. Now here you look, in the 1's place we got 0. That is the one digit number. But look, the 10's place, here how many digits? 2 digits. But they can have only one digit at a time. Then what will do? This one we want to shift in another room. That means we want new room. Okay. Name of that room is hundreds. Children, name of that room is hundreds. Listen here, 100. Okay. Now we got 3 rooms, 1's, 10's and 100's room. Okay, this one we want to shift it to that room. Listen here. This one goes and sits new room, our new room. Okay. Okay, now you read this 1, 0, 0. How many digits here? 3 digits. Okay, how many digits? 3 digits. Children, after 99, what comes after 99? 1, 0, 0. This is the smallest 3 digit. Otherwise, this is the first 3 digit number. Now, here we have 3 places. That means 3 rooms. First one, 1's room. Left of the 1's room, we have 10's room. Left of the 10's room, we have 100 rooms. This is our new room. Okay. Then after look, here 100's room which number? 1. Then 10's room which number? 0. Then 1's room which number? 0. Okay, once again I will revise this one. Okay, so when we have 9 in the one place, what we want to do? This 9 we change to 0. Same time, 10th place we have which number? That number should increase 1. That number should increase 1. Then what comes after 9? 10. That 10 we want to write here. Listen here. This 1's and 10's room is very small. Then there we can keep one digit only at a time. Okay. Then we want to make one new room. That name of that room is hundreds. Then this one we want to keep it here. Then we get 100. Okay, after 99, which number will get? 100. Then how to read this number? Listen here. In 100's room, which number? 1. In 100's room, which number? 1. Then 10's room, which number? 0. 1's room, which number? 0. 0 means what? Nothing. 0 means nothing. Okay, in 100's room, which number? 1. That means 1, O-N-E, 1, 100. Listen here, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 100. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Then tens place which number? 0. Then ones place which number? 0. That is nothing. Then means what? What is the number name of this number? 100. What is the number name? 100. Clear to you? Then we can see what comes after 100. Okay, what comes after 100? Before that, just to look back. What comes after 100? Let us see. Here we have two-digit numbers, some two-digit numbers. Okay, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay, listen here. Here in the one place, just to look, in the one place which number? 0, after 0, 1, after 1, 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 4, after 4, 5, then 6, 7 and so on. Listen here, in the one place we should keep increase 1. That means after 0, next number 1. Then after 1, next number 2. We should keep increase 1. Then after 2, which number? 3. Then after 3, 4. After 4, 5. After 6, after 5, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. Then same time, left side you look. Same time, which number here? That number remains same. Till you reach at 9. Okay, till you reach at 9, the left side remains same. Clear? Then right side, just you look, in the one place, after 0, 1 should increase 1. Then after 1 should increase 1. That means 1 after 2. Then after 2, 3. Then after 3, 4. After 4, 5. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. Same time, left side remains same. Same number. Should you reach at 9. Okay, at 9. Up to this time only you can write here same number. After 9, what we want to do? We already learned. After 9, when we have 9 in the one place, what we want to do? That 9 we change it to 0. Okay, that 9 we change it to 0. Then that time left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. That number should increase 1. Now here left side which number? 5. After 5 which number will get? 16. That is the next number, 16. Okay, then 16 to 69. Just to check it. In the one place, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. In the left side, that means in the tens place, the same number want to remain. Okay, same number. Which number? 6. Then same number want to remain till you reach at 9. Till you reach at 9. Then our first point, when we have 9 in the ones place, what we want to do? That 9 we change to 0. Then same time left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. Then here left side which number? 6. After 6 which number will get? After 6 which number will come? What comes after 6? 7. That is 70. Okay, that is 70. Then same pattern, look here, in the ones place, 0 after which number? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, up to 9. Then same time, left side, same number want to remain, that is 7. Till you reach at 9, after 9, this 9 we want to change it to 0. Then same time, left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. Then after 7, 8. Clear to you? Same pattern, look here, 80. Then 18 after, in the one place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The left side, the same number want to remain. After 9, what we want to do? The 9 we change it to 0. The left side, after 8, which number will get? 9. Then same pattern. Same way we can find what comes after 99. What comes after 99? 100. Which number? 100. Okay, that means here we have 3 rooms. Okay, the right side, which room? One's room. Okay, right side, one's room. Then left side of one's room we have tens room. Then left side of tens room we have our new room. Name of that room is hundreds. Name of that room is 100. Here we have 3 rooms. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now we can see what happened after 100. Okay, listen here. Just you look this ones place. Ones place which number? 0. We already discussed about 2-digit numbers. Okay, after 0 which number will come? 1. Then after 1 which number will get? 2. Then after 2, 3. After 3, 4. Very simple. Okay. After 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and so. Listen here. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same times, left side we have which number? Same number we want to write down. Okay, left side we have which number? That number remains same. That means left side we have which number? 10. That is 10. Write like that. See 10. Then 10. 10. Okay. Left side we have which number? That number remain same. Okay. Then 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay. Left side we have which number? That number remains same till you reach at 9. Okay, up to that only we can write same number. After 9 what we want to do? What we want to do? Here is when we have 9 in the ones place, what we want to do? This 9 we change to 0. This 9 we change to 0. Same times left we have which number? Okay, left we have which number? That number should increase 1. Left we have which number? 10. Okay, what comes after 10? What comes after 10? 11. That number you write left side. Clear? Now we got 110. Okay, this 110, then after which number will get? Okay, 110. Okay, 110. Here ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. Okay, ones, tens, 100. This 110 after which number? Just to look here 0. 0 after which number will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same times left side we have which number in the tens and 100 position, that number remains same. Here which number? 11. Then you write here also 11. Then 11, 11. Same way we can keep it this number till you reach at 9. Till you reach at 9. Very simple. Then after 9, just to look here in the one place we have 9, then what we want to do? When we have 9 in the one place, that 9 we change to 0. Then left side we have which number? Left side we have which number? What we want to do? Should increase 1. That means after 11. Okay, what comes after 11? Okay, what comes after 11? 11 after 12. That is the next number. Then this number 120. What comes after this number? Same pattern you write 0 to 9 right here. Left side we want to keep same. Okay. Then after 9, that 9 we change it to 0. Left side we have which number? That should increase 1. Okay. Then 12 after which number will get? 13. Then next will come 130 like that. Okay. I hope you understand this. Then once again we can revise. Let us see here. Here we have 3 rooms, ones room, tens room and hundreds room. This is our new room. Okay. Then in the one place we keep increasing 1. Okay. Then after 0, 1, after 1, 2, then after 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then same time left side what we want to do? Left side here which number we have, that number remains same. Okay. 1, 5, 1, 5, then 15, 1, 2, keep it here. And so on. Till you reach at 9. Till you reach at 9. Okay. Then that is that 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, then 156, 157, 158, 159. Then here in the ones place we have which number? 9. Then this 9 we change to 0. This number we change to 0. The left side we have which number? Okay, 15. What comes after 15? What comes after 15? 16. That is this number. That means 160. Okay, then listen here. Then same pattern. In the ones place we have which number? That number should increase 1. Then after 0, 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same time left side we have which number? That number remains same. Then 16, 16, 1, 6. Same pattern we want to write. Very simple. Till you reach at 9. Till you reach at 9, we can keep same number. That means 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. Okay, in the ones place we get 9. Then what we want to do? What comes after? Sorry, this 9 we change to 0. When we have 9 in the ones place, this number we change to 0. That is this. The left side we have which number? 16. Then what comes? That number should increase 1. Then what comes after 16? What comes after 16? 17. Okay, that is this number. That means 117. 17. Then 170. What comes after 117? The left side. Okay, 17. Which number will come? 1. Then 171, 172, 173, then 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, up to till 9 only we can write this way. Then after 9 what we want to do? This 9 we change it to 0. The left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. That means what comes after 17? 18. That is 180. Okay, same pattern. Then 0. Okay, then 180. Here 0 after will come 1. That means 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188 and 189. Okay, here we have in the ones place we have 9. This 9 we change it to 0. In the tens and hundred place, that means left side we have 18. That number we change to, then what? This number we should increase 1. Then what comes after 18? 19. That is 190. 190. Okay, then after that 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198 and last one 199. 199. Here you look, in the one place we have which number? 9. That number we change it to 0. The left side we have which number? 19. That number should increase 1. That means what comes after 90? 20. That means 200. What is this name? In the 100 place we have which number? 100 place we have which number? 2. Tens and ones place we have 0. 0 means nothing. That means 200. 200. This is in 100 place, that is 200. Okay. Then children, I hope you understand how to write 3-digit numbers. How to write 3-digit numbers. Now you see here. Here I will write one 3-digit number. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. That means ones place we have 7, tens place we have 2, then hundreds place we have 1. Okay, we have 3 rooms. Okay, then 1, 2, 7. That means 127. 127. Okay, what comes after 127? That means this is in 100 place. Then this is in tens place. This is in ones place. Okay, what comes after 127? 127. What comes after 127? Listen here. Very simple. Here we have ones place. We have which number? 7. Okay, then 7. What comes after 7? Here ones place we should keep increasing 1. Then what comes after 7? 8. Then same time left side we want to keep it same. Left side remains same. Left side we have which number? 12. That number remains same. Okay, 128. That means 128. Clear to you? Then what comes after 128? Here in the ones place we have 8. Then that number should increase 1. That means what comes after 8? 9. The left side remains same. 12. That means 129. Then listen. Then what comes after 129? What comes after 129? Here look. Here we have 9 in the ones place. Remember that. Here we have 9 in the ones place. What we want to do? This 9 we change it to 0. Same time left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. Then what comes after 12? 13. That means 130. 130. That is 130. Clear to you? Any number. Then one more example I will give you. 197. What comes after 197? What comes after 197? Here in the ones place we have 7. Then 7 after 8. The left side we keep same number. Okay. Then what comes after 8? 9. The left side remains same. Till 9 only. Then in the ones place we have 9. This number we change to 0. Same time left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. That is 200. That is 200. This you already learned in your previous classes. How to write 3-digit numbers 100 to 500. Okay. In this year we want to study about the numbers 500 to 999. Okay, in this year we want to study about the numbers 500 to 999. Okay, now you understand this format, how to write the 3-digit numbers. Then in our textbook we want to write 500 numbers 500 to 999. How to write? Very simple. 100. What comes after 500? What comes after 500? In the one place we have 0. Tens place we have 0. Then in the 100 place we have 5. That means this is 500. What comes after 500? In the one place we have 0. That number we should increase 1. That means then after 0, 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Same time the left side remains same. That means 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, left side remains same till you reach at 9. Till you reach at 9. Okay, one example 509. This after what we want to do? Here in the one place we have 9. That number we change it to 0. Same times left side we have which number? That number should increase 1. That is 50. That means 510. 510. I hope you understand how to write 3-digit numbers. How to write 3-digit numbers. Okay, in your textbook we have to write 500 numbers, 500 to 999. Same format we can use here. Okay, once again I revise. When we have 9 in the ones place, that number we change to 0. Same time, left side we have which number, that number should increase 1. Then you get next number. Then in your one place we have 0 is there. What we want to do? That ones place should increase 1. Then 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and so on. Then same time left side remains same till you reach at 9. Clear to you? I hope you understood this class how to write 3-digit numbers. Now it's time for an activity. Write the numbers from 500 to 600. Okay, write the numbers from 500 to 600. Okay, write in your notebook and send it to Google Classroom. Okay, next class, okay, I hope you understand how to write 500 to 600. Okay, then you send it to our Google Classroom. Then next class we discuss about how to read this number name, 3-digit number name. Okay, thank you.